Former Big Brother housemate Rico Swavey died on Thursday, October 13, 2022, and fans have expressed their pain at his passing. Remember, on Wednesday, it was reported that Nigerian entertainers launched a fundraiser for the deceased housemate of Big Brother Naija Season 3 after he was involved in a car crash. His colleague Toby Bakre made the announcement on his Twitter page on Wednesday as he asked the public for donations. Bakre noted that the accident victim has been placed on life support, so it was definitely shocking that he didn't make it. Here are 9 interesting things to know about Rico Swavey. Rico's real name is Patrick Fakoya. He was born in 1992. He studied law at Babcock University. He was 25 years old when he got into BBNaija Double Wahala House, which started on January 28, 2018. He acted in the drama series Life 101. He is also a musician with a number of hip-hop and alternative tracks. He has 7 siblings. He was evicted from the BBNaija show on April 8, 2018. After he got evicted, he confessed to have liked Anika. What would you miss the most about him?